Hello friends, today we are learning chapter 5 of class 9th part 1 linear equation in two variables. Now previously you have studied linear equation using one single variable. Okay, the variable represents the identity that is used in your problem. Now here in this chapter we are going to take two variables. The variable names can be anything a, b, x, y, p, q. Generally x and y are used. So that is called a linear equation in two variable. The variables have degree 1. The degree of the variable is always 1. For example, 5x plus 3y equal to 12. This is a linear equation wherein two variables are involved, x and y, which represent some of the quantities, and the degree of x, the power of x and the power of y is 1. So this is a linear equation in two variables x and y. This linear equation is also called as simultaneous equation. So the definition of linear equation or simultaneous equation is equation with two variables having degree 1. Such kind of equation is called linear equation in two variables. Now, there is a definite procedure to solve these type of equations. The steps are, first, we have two equations in pairs. So, with two variables. So first step is we will equate the coefficients of any one variable by multiplying with suitable constants. This is the first step of solving a linear equation. We equate the coefficient. What do you mean by coefficient? The number before the variable is called as coefficient. So we equate the coefficient of any one of the variable by multiplying it with suitable constant. That is first step. Then second step, after multiplying one equation or both the equations, we either add it or subtract the newly formed equation and eliminate one of the variable. We either add or subtract the newly formed equation to eliminate one variable. Then the third step is we solve the equation of one variable and get the answer. And then the last step is we substitute the value of variable in given equation. So these are some brief steps which I have written while solving linear equation in two variables. Just note down these steps. This type of solution of simultaneous equation is called as elimination method. एलिमिनेट करना है मतलब रिमूव करना है, उसे निकाल देना है। तो किसी एक वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट हम सेम करेंगे बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद सम नंबर। वो वेरिएबल एलिमिनेट करेंगे इधर ऐड करके या सब्सट्रैक्ट करके, एंड देन वी विल सॉल्व द लीनियर इक्वेशन एंड then substitute the value of that linear equation in given equation to find the value of another variable. These are 4 simple steps which we can do to solve the linear equation. It will be clear to you as and when we solve the examples. So let us proceed for the example. Just now we have seen the introduction for linear equations. Now we will try solving one of the equations by elimination method. So for this purpose, exercise 5.1 question 3, I am taking the first example. X plus y equal to 4, 2x minus 5y equal to 1. I'll just split the board into ends, two parts. Now first we will write the equations and number them. So here x plus y equal to 4. This is the correct way of solving it. 2x minus 5y equal to 1. So I have written both the given equations and I have numbered it. This is the solution which we have started. Now whenever equations are in front of you, if you are using the elimination method, you have to make coefficient of one variable same, either x or y. How can you make it same? By multiplying it with suitable constant. For example, this is 2x. So if I want to make the coefficient of x same, then I will have to multiply the first equation by 2. This is also correct, but if we see carefully, there is a small trick here. The equations which have opposite signs, if we make the coefficient of that variable same, it will be easy for us. For example, x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus 5y equal to 1. The sign for variable y in first equation is opposite to that of in second equation. So if we make the coefficient of y same, it will be easy for us. I'll just repeat it. The signs are opposite for the variable y. So making the coefficient of variable y same, it will be easy for us to solve the equations. So here equation 1 we will multiply it by 5 so that it will be same as in equation 2. Therefore here I will say multiply equation 1 by 5. So the new equation formed is 5x plus 5y equal to 4. This is my new equation formed, so I am numbering it as 3. This second equation is same as it is. So 2x minus 5y equal to 1. I have not altered anything in this equation, so I will number it as it is. Now the signs are opposite, so we add them. So multiply equation 1 by 5 and add. Or you can just write here adding equations 3 and 2. When we add the equations 3 and 2, we get the following result. 5x plus 2x will give you 7x y will be eliminated. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So after adding equations 3 and 2, since they have opposite signs, we are going to add it. Whenever you have opposite signs, you are going to add the equations. So adding equations 3 and 2, 5x plus 2x is 7x is equal to, this is 20 because we have to multiply it by 5. 20 plus 1 will give you 21. Okay, just make the correction there. When we multiply equation 1 by 5, 5x plus 5y equal to 4 into 5, it is 20. Now, after adding 3 and 2, we get 7x equal to 21. So, x is equal to 21 divided by 7. So, x is equal to 3. We will just box this value. Now, this value of x, we will substitute it in the original equation 1 or 2, whichever is convenient to you. Equation 1 is quite easy. So, here I will say put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So, after we put the value of x as 3 in equation 1, we get the result as 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 3. This 3 will go on the other side. It is plus 3. It will change its sign. It will be minus 3. Therefore, y equal to 1. So, at the bottom, you will say, therefore, 3, 1 is solution of given equations. Now we can quickly check if we are correct with our solution or not. If we put the value of x as 3 and y as 1 on the left hand side of this equation 1, 3 plus 1, it is equal to 4. So our solution is correct. Very easy and very simple way of eliminating one variable. Eliminate करना है मतलब we are going to cut or we are going to reduce one variable. So this is how we are going to do it. Please note it down. Now we will solve one more example for practice. It is exercise 5.1 question 3. From that third question, we are solving the second example. The equations are 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x minus y equal to 5. So, we will quickly first write the given equations and number them. So, 2x plus y equal to 5, equation 1. 3x minus y equal to 5, equation 2. We have numbered the given equation. Now if we see it carefully, both the equations have same coefficient for y. So no need to multiply by any other number. And the coefficients have opposite and the variable has opposite sign. First equation you have plus y, second equation you have minus y. So when the variable has opposite signs in both the equations, we will just add them. So adding 1 and 2. When we add equations 1 and 2, we will just write it 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x minus y equal to 5. When we add it, y will get eliminated. So 5x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 upon 5 and that is 2. So we have got the value of x as 2. We will just box it out or I'll write it this way. Therefore x equal to 2. Now this value of x which we have found, we will substitute it in equation 1 or in equation 2 as you wish. Both the equations में से किसी एक इक्वेशन में आपको इस x की वैल्यू को डालना है. So I will prefer equation 1. So put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. इक्वेशन 1 में डालना है x की वैल्यू. So 2 into 2 plus y equal to 5. Now 2 into 2 will come to 4 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 4, y equal to 1. We will just box the values. So after solving the entire equations, we have come to a solution x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Therefore, 2, 1 is the solution of given equations. Okay, please note down. Now we have studied the first method of solving linear equation in two variables, and that was elimination method. Now we will study the second method, which is substitution method. I have quickly written the steps here how to solve these equations using substitution method. For that, first step is find the value of one variable in terms of other from any one of the given equation. For example, if I say x plus y equal to 7, then either you can say x is equal to 7 minus y or y is equal to 7 minus x. So this is it. Find the value of one variable in terms of another. Okay? Then substitute the value in any of the other equation. So x value you can substitute it here, or y value you can substitute it here, and solve this linear equation and find the value of the variable. Then that value we have to substitute it in the given equation so that we can solve it and find the other required value. So we will just see the steps again. Find the value of one variable in terms of other from any one of the given equation. Second step, substitute the value in other equation. Third step, now we get a linear equation in one variable, solve it, find the value. And fourth step, substitute the value in given equation and find the value of another unknown variable. In 4 simple steps, 1, 2 ka 4. In 4 simple steps, you will just get the solution by using substitution method. So now we will see some sums how to solve it using substitution method. Okay? Now, using substitution method, we will try solving exercise 5.1, question 3, the sixth sum. Okay? So first, we will write the given equations. 2x minus 7y equal to 7, my equation 1. 3x plus y equal to 22, equation 2. Now, if we see carefully, the second equation is easier. Coefficient of y is 1. So from this equation, we will calculate the value of y directly. See here. Y from equation 2. Y equal to this 3x will go on the other side. So it will be 22 minus 3x. And this is my equation number 3. So we have calculated the value of y from the given equation by substituting it in terms of x. Okay. Now this value of y, we will either put it in equation 1 or in equation, we will put it in equation 1. Okay. So put value of y in equation 1. So here we get 2x minus 7y. The value of y is this. So 22 minus 3x is equal to 7. Now we will solve this equation so that the entire equation is in x. We will get the value of x. So 2x minus 22 into 7 will come out to 154. Minus plus 7 into 3, 21x is equal to 7. Now this is a linear equation with only one variable, that is x. So 2x plus 21x will give you 23x is equal to 7 plus 154. This 154 will go on the other side. It is minus, so here it will become plus. So 23x is equal to 161. Now here we will find the value of x as 161 upon 23. When we divide 161 by 23, we will get it as 7. 23 sevens are 161. You need to know the tables for this purpose. So x is equal to 7. I'll box it out. Now this value of x, we will put it in equation 3 and directly get the value of y. So put x is equal to 7 in equation 3. So here y is equal to 22 minus 3 into x. X is 7. So y is equal to 22 minus 21 and y is equal to 1. Therefore, 7, 1 is solution of equation. This is how we have done the substitution method. I'll just repeat it. We are numbering the given two equations 1 and 2. Generally, the variable with positive sign, we will use it for substitution. So from here, we have y variable with positive sign and the coefficient of that variable is 1. So it will be easy for us. So y is equal to 22 minus 3x. ये 3x इस तरफ चला जाएगा. So it is 22 minus 3x. Now this value of y, I will substitute it in equation 1. So 2x minus 7y. Y के जगह I will write it as 22 minus 3x is equal to 7. So 2x minus sign as it is. 22 into 7 will come to 154. Minus plus 7 into 3 is 21x is equal to 7. Now this 2 and this 21 will remain on this side itself. They will get added. It is 23x is equal to this. And then I have solved to get the value of x as 7. Now this value of x, I will put it in equation 3 because this is the equation y. And I will get the value of y as 1. Very easy, simple method, that is method of substitution. Please note it.